in the demon. We committing sins. We be.
Alright, guys, so we finna do this late night POV for y'all, man. As y'all can see, man, we got the game behind us. I got two big ass tracks behind me. Folks know what I'm talking about. I might shit on the boss. I'm getting finna crash, folks. Trying to do this shit for y'all. This a real late night POV for y'all. No, I gotta wait on game real quick, man. We got the big famous. Trying to park right here. Bikers, very fun. Y'all training for the marathon? They training for the marathon, man. Demon motherfucker. Ain't got them stars in there. What are they talking about? His ass tweaking. He got bad move, man. Chucky right there. He got the what? Let me see that hat, shorty. You know what it is. Hey, he tweaking.
Make America great again.
Hey, he tweaking, shorty.
Funny as hell.
You waiting for the wrong company. They gonna get on your ass. Go down. Oh, my mama, Birdie, love. Say you out here killing them on my mama. We trying to. Y'all can't even hear me, folks. That bitch loud as hell.
Popping shit no more, son.
Shorty, I hear straight motherfucking exhaust over there, shorty. This motherfucker will have you in your seatbelt, huh, shorty?
Yes, sir.
Damn!
That bitch got me. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Shit! I can't even hold this bitch still, fuck. Oh no, 12, y'all know they don't fuck with us, bro. Nah, they might be some cool 12 officers, for real, but he got something that's
He
cool.
been giving up good vibes lately.
Oh, no, not him. Not that one. Oh, no, y'all. Not him. Oh, shit! I got a spot we can go to, bro. Oh, my mama, I got a spot we can go to, bro, that they finna fucking love, bro. Watch this shit, bro. Shit ain't no finna be like, damn! Y'all stay tuned for this, bro. Y'all about to hear some crazy ass shit, bro. This has been a spot I low-key been wanting to go to that I never took nobody to, bro. And I've been meaning to go there and make videos, and I haven't. This might be our new little spot we start going to. After they see this, they gonna be like, damn, you been holding out. No, bull, I ain't even thought about it, bro. Oh, shit. I got some boys. Hey, folks. I ain't gonna lie, folks. I'm finna take her to this little spot I've been meaning to go to. Watch this, folks. It's right there. Watch this, folks. It's an underground tunnel I've been meaning for us to go to. So watch this bitch. It sound crazy. Well, hey, I got a spot. It's right up the street. Watch this, folks. Bro, I'm telling you, watch this, bro. What? Yo ass tweaking. So I'm about to roll the window up on he tweaking. Woo! Got them tracks on the side of me. Hey. Get your ass out the way. Get your ass out the way. That shit is green. Woo! Oh my mama, we got 4 tracks outside. I'm sitting in the middle of 2 tracks, so they trying to sandwich me.
Pull up in the demon. We committing sins. We be getting it in. Damn, this bitch a 10.
Hey, POV, man. I hope y'all mess I ain't gonna lie, I'm traumatized of these Chicago streets, man. I feel like I just scraped the bottom of my demon a lot. No bullshit, bro. So these Chicago streets scare me, bro. When I be trying to go fast sometimes, like, I feel like I'm gonna hit a bump or something, bro. Hey, shorty. Me and you right now, shorty. Me and you right now, shorty. Boy, I'm about to do that motherfucking track in, boy. Shit. Woo, bro. Oh, I need a rematch, bro. Bro, I need a rematch, bro. He bogus, bro. I need a rematch, bro. I need a rematch, bro.
But I can't right now.
Bro, I need a rematch, bro. I don't care, bro. No. Get in front of him. No, I need a rematch, bro. That ain't fair, bro. He just took off.
Just smoked this bed.
He just what, for?
Just smoked this bed.
Oh, shit, guys, bro. He just overtook. Damn, that bitch just hooked. Hooked. What I tell you, shorty? What I tell you? Hey, what I tell you, shorty? This sound crazy under here. Hey, you can hit these bitches. Huh? Come on, shit. Let's do it. Shit. I can't even hit this bitch. Woo. Alright guys, so we done found our way over the Whacker. We finna ride under Whacker for y'all right now. And then we're gonna end this vlog off on Lakeshore Drive for y'all to be able to catch that view. This is the late night POV for you guys. And like I always tell you, if you're new to that channel, man, hit that sub button. Make sure y'all drop down a like on these videos, man. And make sure y'all drop in the comments. Let me know how y'all feel. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, appreciate it. Oh yeah. Good looking, brother. Oh yeah, we go back right here. Yeah, this little rock. Oh, y'all hear this car? Y'all can't even hear me. So y'all got a chance to see, we just went through Lower Whacker Drive. Bro, it sounds crazy down here. I should be drifting my car all the way around here. Damn. I don't hit nothing but... My car gonna slam. I hit the pedal one time hard. So look guys, we're gonna end this vlog right here, man. Y'all got a chance to catch a late night POV. Us under Lower Whacker Drive. Us coming downtown, just bringing y'all some content for the day because we really was bored as shit and we didn't know what type of vlog to bring y'all. But I'm happy we got a chance to bring y'all this type of vlog because this vlog was just low-key lit without us even really trying, but it was just super lit. So look, man, like I always tell y'all, man, look, y'all new to the channel, man, hit that sub button. Make sure y'all drop down a like for y'all boy Demon Time Mo, man, and make sure y'all drop down a comment for Demon Time Mo, man. It's lit, man. We gonna keep dropping consistent bangers for you guys, bro. And I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I should have something uploaded in the next couple days. So y'all stay tuned. I think I'll be posting one of the best videos that I done since I've been consistent on YouTube. I'm really looking forward to bringing that content to you guys. And I can't wait for next year, bro. Because the car season, as you guys know, is coming to an end here in Chicago, so the Demon will be getting put up. But like I said, when I hit 20,000 subs, I have a surprise for you guys. So listen, guys, get Demon Time Mo to 20,000 subs, and I will be dropping a fucking banger. So look, man, it's y'all boy Demon Time Mo. I'll get up with y'all. I'll catch y'all in another one.
Playing big brands in a club, what you saying?
Nigga.